Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make my 6 Lego puzzle box, and this is the part 2 of it. Then if you didn't watch part 1 yet, you need to go right now. Okay, then so let's get started. So in part 1 I show you how to make the base like this here, on top of it, on the bottom there. And make sure you do that already so I can show you how to make the upper. Yeah. Okay. So you got this 1x1 plate there, and a smooth piece here and a smooth piece here. Then now next you need to take a 2x2 bricks, put it there. There. And 1x4 bricks, put it here. There. Now take this 1x2 bricks that have a plus hole. You could use a circle hole. Yeah, I think the circle hole is better. There. Then put it here. There. Then now take two of this 1x4 smooth piece, put it here, and there, and one in here, there. And now take this 1x3 big bricks, put it there. And a 1x1 bricks, put it here. Now this base right here, you need to put a 2x2 couch piece. This, put it there. And now you need a 1x3 plates on the bottom and a 1x3 smooth piece on top. There. Now you want to put it here. There, so it could slide like this. There. So make sure it looks like this when you're done. Then, yeah. And now I want to show you how to make this. So you could put it in here, like this. There. So how to make it? You need to take a, so take a 1x4, a 2x4, the 2x4 plate, and take a 1x2, put it there, and a 1x3, put it here. Make sure you hold the, just look like this, and then just put smooth piece on top of it. So put smooth piece like this, and this. Yeah. So you need to have something looks like this. Now put it in here. Just put it later, okay? So, yeah, now take this 6x6 plate and then put smooth piece here, there, and then put it on top. And I forgot, you want to put this 2 stud long key. It needs to be looks exactly like this, not different. So you want to put it in this couch piece there, and I want to put it in later. Okay, so take this piece, put it on top of here, and oops, make sure this wall piece don't move there. there. So looks like that. Then put bricks all over here. Okay. So bricks here, then bricks here, and then bricks here, and there you got bricks all over here. And put another bricks on top of it. So bricks here, bricks there, bricks here. Okay. So now you're done that, and yeah. So take a the 1x6 base 1x6 plates. Put it there. There, put it like that, and then take this 2x6 and have some smoothies here. There, there. Then take another piece that have a 2x6 plate and a 2x4 smoothies there. Right there. Then you wanna build your box that you will put it in here. There. So how to build it? Oops. Take this out. And so basically you need a 4x4 plates and a 2x2 smooth piece in the middle. Then you want to check this piece that have a hole. There needs to have a hole, not a plus hole. There, put it there. Then put bricks all around it. Put bricks there, then bricks there. Then just put smooth piece around there. There's smooth piece here, smooth piece here, smooth piece here, and here. And then you want to take like a key, 2x2 smooth piece. You put it in there, but you could put it later. Yeah, but you need to put it now, so you can. Yeah, just put it now. I can tell you. So put it into this hole right here. There. Yeah, into this hole. There. Okay. Then so now you would take a so I want to make it more, and this is my part 2. You would watch part 3 if I have it now, and I hope you guys enjoy, and bye bye.